Yes, guys, crypto boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss. We're all crypto bosses. Remember, that is my only agenda on this channel is to make as many crypto bosses as I can and to help you guys leave that slavery 9 to 5. Crypto has saved my life. I'm out here in Dubai living the dream and trying to make as many people live that dream as possible. And I know we can do this, guys. I've made millions out of crypto. And I'm just a normal, average guy with no qualifications. If I can do it, you can do it, guys. And I know how we're going to do it. It's simple. The writing is on the wall, guys. There's going to be many opportunities, many narratives on the way. But 2024, Bitcoin halving, usually about 500 days before things start picking up. And that is correlated to about next year. But we want to stay in tune. We want to stay studying, understand the market, understand the narratives. All right then, guys, that being said, let's get into the video, baby. It's beef. It's war. I've got my Muay Thai shirt on. It's going down. Should call it the crypto fighter. Actually, I should do that as well. Yeah. Crypto boss. Love you all. Welcome back. Appreciate every single one. And guys, comment. Tell me who's watching the videos. Because honestly, guys, whoever's with me from the start, I'm gonna take you on an amazing journey. Because I never forget the people that was there from the start. I will make this channel to a 1 million subscriber channel. Save this video. Remember, I told you, we will make this channel one of the biggest crypto channels on the planet. That's facts. Do you know why I know? Because I'm obsessed with crypto. I've been in crypto for 9 years. I know what I'm on about. I know what I'm doing. I made a lot of money in crypto. I lost a lot of money in crypto. I've got a marketing agency. I built brands. I know what I'm talking about, baby. So, all you guys at the start of this journey with me, I'm telling you, let me notice your names, let me notice who you are, comment, stay active, because when we get 100,000 subscribers, 10,000, 100,000 million, you guys are going to get rewarded. You guys are going to be coming out to Dubai on holidays and loads of prizes. And trust me, remember I said that. I ain't forgetting you. All right then, guys, moving on. We've got quite a bit of news, so I'm going to maybe speed around the news a bit. First of all, let's check out the Bitcoin charts. So yeah, a bit boring. Bitcoin, what we're on, 21,040 and 40. We're ranging nicely on this support level here. A nice trend, very textbook trend this is, guys. So we're not really making much highs. We're kind of ranging from like the 21 down to the 20. So not much going on. This is a very boring market. Something's going to give. We could break down this support and potentially, make our way down to, so next support is 19,000. Then we could potentially revisit this 17,000. All right then, guys, just keep an eye out on Bitcoin. Can't predict the market. Okay, moving swiftly on. Check this video out, guys. So just in. So breaking news: Snoop Dogg and Eminem have released a new music video featuring Board Yacht 8 Club. So I can't really play the music, but I can play the video just because we might get a strike on the channel. So, oops, let me turn the music down. Okay, play it, boom. See, check out the Board Yacht 8 Club. There. So yeah, guys, pretty controversial, just because of what's going on with this racist allegations with Board Yacht 8 Club. But nevertheless, I've got no opinion. I'm very neutral on that. I do believe anything in life, there's always, if you look at something deep enough, you can always find something, So I don't know about that, the racist thing there. Who knows? truth always comes out in the end, so we just stay tuned. All right, moving on, guys, moving on. Okay. So, Shiba launches their blockchain in May. Quarter three. So it's a little bit delayed at the moment. But they are launching it very soon. Okay, so let's have a little quick read of this. The Unification Foundation, which is behind the development of Shiba Inu's Layer 2 solution, today shared a detailed post on their Medium about the third-party projects and unification team is developing and Shiba Inu itself. So just a bit of update about Shiba's blockchain. So guys, I'm always bringing you these updates because we always want to keep up with what's going on in the market, because we want to see what narratives we want, especially in the bear market, guys. We want to see who's building, and to see that Shiba Inu is still building their blockchain, very bullish. Okay, yes, it's a meme coin, but meme is internet culture, so Shiba has big potential. So is Dogecoin, so is Apecoin. So we're not really investing into meme coins, but there's always the narrative. So it's always good to not franchise, put a little portion into these meme coins, because they're the ones that would do the exponential 20, 30, 40, 50x, 100x growth. All right, moving on. Magic Eden, big. So Magic Eden is a Solana based NFT marketplace. They're actually talking about moving cross-change, doing other, going on other blockchains, listing other blockchains, NFTs. But guys, they're literally like 9 months old. Magic Eden is 9 months old and they're valuated at 1.6 billion. Guys, come on. This is what I'm saying to you guys. Like, even if it's not about investing in cryptocurrency, building and making businesses. My business turns over 6 figures a month. I got a marketing agency. This is what I'm telling you guys. There's so much opportunity in Web3 space. It is unbelievable. Okay, so we'll just read a couple of paragraphs. Popular Solana NFT marketplace Magic Eden raised 130 million in the funding round, now with a valuation of 1.6 billion compared to the 13 billion of OpenSea. Healthy competition to Ethereum NFT marketplace like OpenSea could be a sign of the industry's maturing and reaching new investors. The Solana blockchain is also favored by some NFT projects and collectors for its cheaper transaction fees, faster NFT minting, and higher royalty fees. Yes, it's true. It is a lot cheaper than Ethereum, but Ethereum don't go down. Solana's been down about 6 times, so not cool. But the only thing that keeps me going is, the internet at the start was so slow, clumpy. We've got hope for Solana. It's still in the infancy stage. It's still only 3 years old blockchain, so let's see. All right, guys, moving on. Bentley Motors gears up to drop its first Genesis Collection NFT on Polygon. Bullish news. Bentley is doing an NFT collection. Bullish. Love it. Okay, the old FTX. This guy really feels like he is the Fed right now. Sam Bankman-Fried. He's just bailing out. All these companies are going bust and he's buying them up. But he's going to be careful he don't get bust. But he really feels like he's the Feds. It really feels like he's Papa Power right now, bailing out everybody, but he needs to be careful. So FTX is in talks to acquire part of BlockFi reports. FTX previously extended a 250 million merchant line of credit to struggling crypto lender early this week. FTX is in talks to acquire the stake in crypto lending BlockFi. The potential tie-up would quickly deepen the financial relationships established when the crypto exchange FTX extended a 250 million merchant line of credit to BlockFi earlier this week. So yeah, guys, and this is just a little bit of a conspiracy. Oh, first of all, let's read this bit. Sam Bankman-Fried trading empire has emerged as a backstop for crypto industry amid fears of sorry guys, I'm not the best reader in the world, in falling market prices. Last week, the giant trading shop controlled by Bankman-Fried gave a revolving line of credit to troubled crypto broker Voyage Capital. That's what I'm saying. So he's given, so I was on about, he's just helping all these projects. He's helped Voyager with 200 million in cash bailout. I'm just saying, he's gonna be careful. But anyway, here's my conspiracy theory, guys. The market is pumping now. This guy is backing all these projects for not going bust, left, right, and center. Obviously, always going to benefit him, shareholders, backhanders, whatever it's going to be. And the market is pumping. I feel like he is just pumping the market right now. Remember, he owns FTX, so he's going to stomp out a lot of freaking people on shorts. So I don't know, guys, just something to just keep in mind, that nothing's always as it seems. He's just bailing out these projects left, right, and center. There's something benefits him here. Ratings for this guy though, his story is absolutely amazing. If you don't know his story, definitely worth a little research. Okay, moving on. So the news of today: Solana has or is creating a smartphone. Solana, guys, I love ya. Before you start building a smartphone, look after your own chain. Look after your own house. Stop letting Solana going down before you're trying to compete with the giants like Apple. You know, going to some next person's house, messing with the big boys. Stay in your lane a bit. But anyway, bullish news. Solana, he actually gave Solana a little bit of a pump today. But yeah, Solana wants to create a smartphone. Good luck to them. Okay, let's have a little read. From comparing the project to Apple and Ethereum to bringing up network outrage, the community reaches to new Web3 phone by Solana. The Solana team has brought mobile phones to Web3 after revealing Sega Solana's Android mobile device that will go out with the project's latest stack for Web3 developers. The Solana mobile stack, the community welcomed the new development with various reaction from comparing the project to Apple and Ethereum to bring up concerns over Solana's network outrage. Yes, exactly what I says. Sort out your blockchain first before you do a phone. But bullish news. Okay, moving on. Okay, so Harmony plunges 10% after Horizon Ethereum bridge hacked for 100 million. So wow, 100 million hack here, guys. Be careful. Not your keys, not your crypto. Okay, this is very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. So there was a poll, and it came out that 1 in 3, a survey, sorry, and it came out that 1 in 3 gold investors would prefer Bitcoin over gold, right? You want to say, well, why wouldn't they buy gold? A lot of big institutions and corporations can't. So why would they buy Bitcoin? They can't buy Bitcoin. They're waiting for the ETF and everything to get regulated to start buying it. And not a lot of people even understand where to keep your Bitcoin, what to do, how not to get hacked. It's still it's not regulated, right? So that's bullish. But do you know what's even more bullish? Check this news out. Uganda's gold discovery, what could mean for Bitcoin? Long story short, without reading this article, there's been 16 billion US dollar worth of gold found in Uganda. 16 billion. Guys, if this is all correct, and it's all is true, that is bigger than the supply of gold right now. I repeat, bigger than the supply of gold right now. So gold's market cap potentially can double, right? So obviously it's supply and demand. So this is just proves the use case and how powerful Bitcoin is. You can't just wake up one day and be like, oh, we found 16 billion Bitcoins. No, 21 million Bitcoins. That's it. Finito. Done. Guys, gold. Like, you're going to keep finding gold, guys. Gold is not limited resource, unlike Bitcoin. So very bullish for Bitcoin. Guys, remember I told you before, Bitcoin is king. Me personally, not financial advice, all my profits from investments, from other cryptos, from flipping, goes to Bitcoin, goes to Ethereum. All right then, guys, if you love this news that I'm bringing to you guys, I search the internet all day to give you guys the best news. So all you need is 10 minutes out of your time, watch this video, subscribe, comment, give it a like, and you can save 4 or 5 hours of looking for all the good news. So taking all this news that I give you today, guys, and run with it, see what can help you in the future, what you think's bullish, what cryptos you might want to invest into, who's building. Yes, guys. Till the next time, love you all. Peace out.